You made me cook tripe. I'm putting you back.
What's your first time doing it?
Oh, we'll get into that.
Okay.
It's emotional, I'm not going to lie.
Sensitive topic.
It's a sensitive topic. Sthe and Michelle, we go way back. Well, you sang every month at the Gin High Tea at Ginger. How are you guys doing during these crazy times?
Crazy.
That's how we're doing.
But hanging in there.
It's not good.
How has the pandemic affected your live performances? Obviously, it has in a massive way. But what have you done to sort of adjust to it or kind of keep yourselves positive?
That's the best thing was to keep ourselves positive, focus, have a positive mindset. Otherwise, we'd be dead.
And not lose hope, you know.
In a Biz Community article in 2019, you guys said the biggest fear is that people will kind of lose the ability to have fun and share laughter with one another. And like going back on the last year, do you think it became all too real?
It did in a way become too real, you know.
Yeah.
We were just saying that you didn't think that it would ever materialize. You know?
Exactly. Yeah. No, it did become quite real. I found that the people sort of distance themselves from each other. They still are.
Yeah. It's like
it's been a year and
it's been tough.
But then also on the positive, for me personally, as a mother of two, I got to spend more time and I got to bond more with my children. Though it is a nightmare to do the homeschooling, still, it got me bonding and knowing them better and relating more and being more patient with them.
And how was it being one of the first bands to perform on the COVID Zero platform?
you know it's not easy when you perform and you don't interact with the audience. And so that's very difficult.
We feed on the energy.
Of course, yeah. I
That's
can remember
our
like
main
that.
challenge because you have to pretend.
I know.
You have to pretend there are thousands of people
Feed on
in
each
front of you.
other.
Yeah, exactly. So it's almost like it takes more energy from you because you're not actually, it's not coming
Because you're
naturally.
not feeling that they're not
You
interested
work
in
10
you.
times to
10 times harder than you
Yeah.
would do.
portray that you have audience, you know.
So you started more than a decade ago with the idea that the stage didn't have to just be shared with slender women. Do you think you guys achieved definitely what you set out to do?
Not yet, but we have achieved a lot.
I believe you have, yeah.
For every performance that we've done, I've seen a lot of women react positively to how we behave, how comfortable we are in our own skin.
Like the husband would ask, where are you performing next? Where's your next public show? Can I bring my wife? She needs to see this. Because she's always worrying about what she looks like and she's shy to go out.
And she's a size.
And then she's thinner than what we are. She's got problems.
I'm like, guys, I want to be you.
I want to be bigger.
What are you talking about? Hey,
You can be,
you
baby.
want this, you want that. Do you really? No, but you know, they don't see that. You know? It's
No.
beyond.
What's in your opinion the biggest challenge that like us as women face today?
Just to be treated equally, you know, to not think of whether you're a woman or a man. Just
Exactly.
to think about what it is you're doing or trying to achieve and not first think, oh, this is a woman. Because I always think that that's the first thought. And then it shouldn't make a difference whether you're a woman or a man. You're doing what you're doing, you know?
Yeah. The next generations are growing up with a lot more confidence because of things that sort of our generation has decided that's it.
Because
You
we're
know?
also instilling that.
Yeah, the next generation of
Yeah.
girls are definitely more confident than we were at that age.
Yeah. Even in the chefing industry when I started, I mean, it was very seldom that you'd find a female
Yeah, it was
head
male-dominated,
chef. Yeah, male dominated. And on the topic of modern technology, Aretha Franklin called auto-tune ridiculous. Do you agree? Yes.
Called it ridiculous.
It's a horn for
And we're known.
We're known for using our own voice.
For us, life is best, isn't it?
Yes.
So whoever who's using auto-tune,
We're not judging.
We're not judging.
No, you're not judging. Not judging.
yeah.
So Aretha sadly passed away. What do you think she would say about COVID?
Let me think. I'm tired sitting at home. It is time to whack.
Yes.
Right now.
Back on Aretha's topic, although that wasn't good. She famously sang at the inauguration of President Obama. What would you perform for our current president?
Let's think
we
on
have
that.
to-
Okay, cool.
We have
We
to
need-
cook
we
that
have to
one.
cook
We'll cook that
We
one.
need to stew on
And
that,
Nelson Mandela, what would you perform for him?
What would be singing?
That was our black president. You're cooking our heads now.
That's good. I'm cooking the kitchen, cooking the heads. And lastly, what would you perform for Trump?
Oh my word.
Hit the road.
Jack.
There we go.
Don't stop
And he did. He did hit the road.
Don't you come back
no more.
Fantastic. So let's talk a little bit about your food that you have chosen. So, Sthe,
Yes.
you chose a bunny chow.
Yes.
Is it like a nostalgic dish for you, or
I'm from Durban.
okay,
I'm Durban
that's
guy.
perfect.
That's all she needs to say.
That's all I can say.
Reminds you of home. And the tripe from the Eastern Cape. So I was very lucky in that I have Nomkita to help me with the tripe.
To
because-
guide you.
To guide me. I've always used bleached tripe, which is not the correct one. See you pulling your face. So Nomkita came to me and she's like, this is not what you're doing.
No.
She's like, this is not good enough for them. So we made you beautiful fresh tripe, cooked in the Eastern Cape way. And it was also exciting for me to cook something that I've never cooked before. It was interesting.
I know the challenges. It must have been a challenge, eh?
It's fun. We had a good laugh and we had some regular guests here and they were all sitting here like this. Milton, ruik het lekker?
Dit ruikt? Nee, dit ruikt niet lekker.
Andy, does it not smell bad to you?
The thing is that we used to the smell, and so that's why you say it's not very good. But the texture inside there is gonna be perfecto.
So I've come to my car to catch my breath. I've eaten tripe, but I've never actually cooked fresh tripe. So Nomkita's brought fresh tripe and I can't handle the smell. But I've been told I've got to go back and cook it and film it. So yeah, wish me luck. And Michelle, for you, seafood.
From Cape Town, so
Yes.
I grew up and holidays, we used to go camping on the west coast.
Fantastic.
My father used to catch fish and crayfish and even octopus.
I love
I would
octopus.
be very scared, but I would go with him.
So for you, we've done well, the fancy word for it is a frito misto, but it's literally everything. So prawns, squid, oysters, everything, but we've deep fried it all with a dipping sauce. So it's like, and then we've got a beautiful sea bass. So our fish and everything we do is all green listed. So we're very much into the sustainable thing. So we like seafood's my passion. So I love
Oh,
seafood.
that's my favorite meal.
And what has been your highlight of your career so far? I'm sure there's been plenty.
Sherry Sage, Mariah.
Yeah.
Who else? Baby White.
Share the stage with Mariah.
Mariah Carey showed me
Wine.
her tooth. She was supposed to perform on the same stage at the opening of one of the big. I don't know if I can mention the hotel that opened in Cape Town.
Yes.
At the opening of the one and only.
Oh, fantastic.
And she was like supposed to perform, and she came to me and she said, I can't perform tonight. And she actually showed me a tooth, and I was like, oh, see, I've seen it in Mariah Carey's mouth.
And
So she had toothache and she couldn't perform.
and I was so jealous. that she
BB
had
and
church with
so
her.
many, yeah.
I'm like,
But I mean, it's something else looking inside someone's mouth.
Yeah.
I mean, that's
If it
really
was-
getting to know someone.
Yeah, if it was anyone else, I would have said, no, I don't want to look at your rotten tooth. But I was like, yes, show me.
Show me more.
Show me more, can I help you out? Yeah, no, we've met amazing
was
people.
And I was like, no.
She was very
why?
jealous, yeah.
You should be like, sorry, Mariah, I'm actually trained dentist.
Yeah.
Can I have a look?
No, we've met the most amazing people and had the most amazing opportunities that we never would have had if it wasn't for our
Yeah.
singing career.
Dancing with our ex-president. Jay-Z.
Tell me the story. I feel I need to know this.
That was in Durban. It's some cricket thing, eh?
And Durban.
And at, what was it? Beautiful town?
Did you?
I'm riding in your car. You turn on the radio. You're pulling me close. I just say no. I say I don't like it. But you know I'm a liar. 'Cause when we kiss, ooh, fire. Late at night, you're taking me home. You say you wanna stay. I say I wanna be alone. I say I don't love you, but you know I'm a liar. 'Cause when we kiss, ooh, fire. Hemos
Proper like MasterChef's panel judge, huh? Is it right? You sure? Promise. Is it like your mama makes? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go with 3 of the seafood.
Are you shy in front of the camera?
He loves it.
You know,
He loves it.
very much.
Very much.
Let me leave you guys.
I'm guitar.